Hey guys, what's up? And it's Genius Tech here, and today we'll be doing a video on how to properly remove Trojan virus from your PC. Now, I'll be performing this on a Windows 10 operating system. So yeah, basically the first thing what you want to do if you realize that or know that your PC has got a Trojan virus is to basically disable, turn off your system restore. So how to do that? You can basically browse, and then you'll go down to my computer, basically this PC. What you want to do is go to System Properties, Advanced System Settings, and right here where it displays Advanced is go over to System Protection. I want to click right here. Basically it's all right here, everything about System Restore. And what I want you to do now is go to Configure, and right here you'll just tap this, basically click it, Disable System Protection, and after that you basically apply the changes and then OK. So yeah, upon doing that now, you basically want some form of anti-malware software or antivirus software. Basically scan your entire system, and you would want to perform a full scan. So really, the anti-malware software that I use is really MalwareBytes anti-malware. Yeah, you can utilize this software in order to find these infected files. We all have Windows Defender. It came with our operating system Windows 10. But the thing is that sometimes these antivirus aren't able, to detect some of these malwares, Trojans. And Trojans are really they appear as legitimate programs, legitimate softwares that try to infiltrate your system based off of the Greek meaning of Trojan or the real meaning of Trojan. So yeah, after that now, you want to perform a full scan with your antivirus and your anti-malware basically at the same time. And if you're not able to, what usually happens when our PCs are infected with malware is that PC begins to slow up really bad. Can't even utilize Windows search. I mean, everything is just slow and laggy, even our web browser. So what I suggest you guys want to do, if you aren't able to find any specific files or folders, you can't utilize a Windows search. You can't utilize your Windows search. Basically, click on the keyboard, press Windows plus R, and your run comes up. And now what I want you to do to type in your run is services.msc. Yeah, and you want to go ahead, click OK. And now services come up. So what I want is basically just click on any one of them, any of these options, and on your keyboard press W and www until you find Windows search. So a Trojan normally changes up some of your files on your PC. So a Trojan or some of these malwares, they usually make changes to our PC without us being aware of them. The user is totally unaware of these changes, and some of these changes, for example, will include turning off your Windows search, which will make your PC, kind of inefficient to find these infected files or folders. So yeah, after you can now utilize your Windows search, and this is how a Trojan can sometimes make changes to our PC without us being aware of them. So yeah, basically, yeah, you want to run a full scan with your anti-malware software and your antivirus, even though sometimes the antivirus won't be able to detect these infected files. After the scan is complete, you basically want to remove scan. After you perform a full scan is complete, you want to check both antivirus and anti-malware applications to see what was detected, and you basically remove the unwanted infected files and rebuild your PC. Upon rebooting, you want to check your system's performance and speed to see if everything is operating smoothly. And you have some ways you can even test this, by even clicking on the Windows icon on the start bar, or even try executing some applications or programs that seem to have slowed down while your computer PC was infected. So for example, if I executed a web browser and it's moving really slow, it's taking really long to load a web page, you know that you can try it back. So for example, what I mean by clicking on the Windows icon on the start bar is that normally on Windows 10 when you do that, it takes it takes like 10 seconds to come up. 10 seconds, you click on it, takes 10 seconds. It shouldn't be doing that. It should be like come up instantly, same time. Let me open up my Windows web browser, Google Chrome. For example, if I were to go on Facebook, it's taking like forever to load. And there you see it loads in like 1 second, 2 seconds. I go on Google, loads in like 1.5, 2 seconds, 1 second, average 0.5. So yeah, that's what I mean. You can test that by even trying to open up certain applications that seem to have moved slow, or even a Windows icon and try to say, click on it, it takes a delay, it lags before it comes up. And so yeah, basically that's it. And upon reboot, if everything seems to be okay, then what I suggest is that give your PC back some time again, and then you can perform a second full system scan following the same steps as before. And yeah, that's really it. So a few simple steps on basically removing Trojan viruses from your PC.